As you look at something across the room, allow your attention to settle, to get nice and comfortable in your spot, and allow your breath to just flow in and flow out at your own pace, gentle, soothing, relaxing. And as it feels comfortable, allow your eyes to close and continue to breathe in and breathe out, allowing your mind, your body to relax more and more into such a comfortable, relaxing state. Any unwanted thoughts that come to your mind, any distractions, just send away with an exhaling breath. And as you continue to breathe in and breathe out, you relax more and more. You breathe deeper, filling your lungs with oxygen and every cell in your body with amazing, wonderful, loving oxygen that nourishes every cell in your body. All stress just melting away, all tension dissolving as you continue to breathe in and breathe out, going deeper and deeper down. As you continue to listen to the sound of my voice, allow yourself to relax more and more, knowing that you are going to release any fears, any doubts around being a single parent, and you will easily and effortlessly tap into your inner strength, your resilience, your resources, your wisdom, knowing that you are more than capable of being a single parent, and you surrender to who you are, the process, and your strengths. Understanding that you will build your skills every day that goes by, and that this challenge, this journey is yours to have, and you will easily rise above any obstacles that come your way. So now imagine that there is a beautiful ball of light right above your head. It is the color of relaxation, and it begins to move and flow as though it's liquid, a soothing liquid relaxation. And with your next breath, this liquid relaxation flows into your head, knowing that it's going to relax every muscle, every nerve, every cell, so you can go deeper and deeper down. And that relaxation flows down your forehead, down your eyes, your cheeks, flowing into your jaw, relaxing your jaw, unclenching, just relaxing. That's right. And that liquid relaxation flows down your neck and into your shoulders, relaxing you more and more. All stress, all tension just dissolving, melting away, releasing. That's it. And that liquid relaxation flows down your arms all the way to the tips of your fingers. You're beginning to feel so incredibly peaceful and calm. And as you continue to breathe, that liquid relaxation flows down your back, relaxing every muscle, every nerve, every cell, and your entire back relaxes, releases. And that liquid relaxation is allowing you to breathe deeper, feel calmer, feel present and safe and secure. And that liquid relaxation flows down your legs, all the way to the tips of your toes. You're so relaxed, so comfortable, so calm. And in a moment, I'm going to begin to count down. As I do, your level of relaxation will double with each and every number. Want that to happen. Allow that to happen. 5, going deeper and deeper down. 4, so calm, so relaxed. 3, it feels so good to release, to let go, to relax, and be surrounded in peace. 2, going deeper and deeper down. 1, deeply, completely relaxed. Very well. Now, you have a situation in your life where you will now be a single parent. And you understand that there's a part of you that fears this journey, this adventure of being a single parent. All of your insecurities are at the surface, ready to bubble over. Your fears are heightened. Your doubt is tangible. So I want you to imagine now that there is a screen in front of you, a huge movie screen, the biggest movie screen you've ever seen in your life, 6 feet in front of you, 20 feet above the horizon. So you look up slightly at this ginormous movie screen. And I want you to imagine that you can see yourself on the screen. And you imagine yourself seeing your fear, your doubt, your overwhelm, all of your insecurities. Just see them now in this picture on the movie screen. Make it a movie. See yourself. Feel the pain. Let it bubble over. Notice the fear. See it. Notice where it lives in your body. Asking your subconscious to release all this overwhelm, this fear, this doubt, these insecurities from your mind and from your body and from your actions, to just release it now. That's right. And you just notice it there, and it's releasing, removing, resolving. And now I want you to just look 15 degrees to your left. And I want you to create a new scene. A scene of you building your confidence, of knowing that you are more than capable of being an excellent, incredible, phenomenal single parent. See yourself going through your day as a single parent, doing what you need to do, remaining calm, accomplishing your tasks, loving, caring for, nurturing, soothing your child. See yourself being the phenomenal parent you want to be, the parent you wish you were, you already are. See yourself handling your day. Recognize your inner strength and notice who is benefiting from your resilience, your love, your strength, your compassion, you showing up as this incredible single parent. Notice what you're doing and notice who benefits. Very, very well. Now, go ahead and look 15 degrees to the left on that movie screen. And now see yourself that you are living your life as a single parent with confidence, with empowerment. You've surrendered all of your fear, all of your doubt, all of your insecurities, and you've embraced self-empowerment, knowing that you are more than capable of being an incredible single parent because you see yourself on the screen doing it and see who benefits from the way you're showing up. Just notice it, make it bright and big and clear and crisp. See all the colors. This is your truth. This is your possibility. This is your reality. Asking your subconscious to take all of this in. The old you had fear. The new you lives your life empowered, knowing that sometimes fear and doubt will be present, but giving your empowered self all of your attention, your focus, releasing any of the doubt when it arrives, any of the fear when it shows up, just moving through it, letting it come and then letting it go because you surrender to the journey of being a single parent, knowing that you've got this. You can handle this journey. You are more than capable. Everything you wish you were, you already are. And all the skills you need to learn, you do. You gain the knowledge, you apply it, and therefore you have the wisdom, the love, the strength, the empowered self to be the most incredible single parent that ever existed. And you make it through the hard days, through the challenges. You cry when you need to, you acknowledge your frustration when you need to, and you continue to show up and be the parent you want to be, so that your child can have the love, the compassion, the guidance, the nourishment, and the nurturing that you want to give your child. As you watch yourself on the screen, you feel your confidence grow, and you know this is your reality, this is your truth, this is who you are. And so now you notice that any fear and doubt you had before is released, has been removed, resolved, cleared, deleted, uncreated, and now you can just be you. You can love, you can teach, you can guide, you can play, you can do all the things you want to do and all the things you need to do, knowing that you are the most incredible single parent and your child is truly blessed to have you, just as much as you feel blessed to have them. So as you take this all in, notice and know that change is happening, that every day your confidence builds, and every day your fear and doubt reduce, release, resolve. And every day you feel more and more confident, knowing that you can be the single parent you want to be. You are capable, you have the skills, and you learn whatever you need to. In a moment, I will bring you back from this experience. You'll bring your confidence with you, knowing that you've released your fear and doubt and overwhelm, and that what remains is confidence, compassion, love, resilience, the ability to easily and effortlessly overcome any challenge that shows up on your journey. You've got this. 1, feeling returning to your fingers and toes. 2, all energies in complete balance. 3, knowing you've released the fear and the doubt, the overwhelm, and you've embraced your confidence and empowered yourself. You've surrendered to the journey of being the most incredible single parent. 4, feeling as though your eyes have been bathed in cool, clear water. 5, eyes open, fully awake, refreshed, re-energized, renewed, full of confidence and empowered, unstoppable energy and belief in yourself in this journey ahead. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Steph. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and say hi in the comments. Remember that you've got this. You're already ready. You are capable. You are more than enough. And before you go, say it with me. I am enough. I matter. I make a difference. My life is important. Now you go and have the most incredible day, and I am sending you endless love.